up, guys? Make sure to check out part 1 first. We are doing the Cars free unboxing. So make sure to watch part 1 first and part 2. I'm going to show like all this other stuff. So let's get right straight. Okay, this one is Tommy Highbanks. His number is 54. His front says Fox wheel drive. So good. So let's get him open. And I can take closer. I'm not sure I'm ready. Name tag before I show you. Okay, here he is. He's a little pickup truck. I can't believe he's still alive. Whoa. Besides the Smokies. Oh, he's a pickup truck. Aw, it doesn't open. Better stop. gonna say. Look at all these cars. Oh, jeez. I'm not gonna go through every car. Look at how many cars there are. I mean, that's a lot. Okay, never mind. I just have to take the name. Like Jet Wars. Nothing. Okay, I'm still recording. Okay, I hope you guys can see the cars. Wow. Pit stop people aren't laughing. Well, I'm gonna put the pit stop right here. Here's this high. Okay, I'm gonna put the pit stop here, over here. Oh, it's not. Kind of looks like. We'll be doing a shout out video today. Comment down below if you subscribed and liked, and I'll give you a shout out.